In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use this online software to create a YouTube banner. A good YouTube banner, popularly known as channel art, make a huge difference to your YouTube channel. The YouTube banner is the first thing viewers see once they visit your channel. The banner helps viewers identify your niche or what kind of content you make. It plays an important role in turning your viewers to subscribers. When making a YouTube banner, you need to make sure that your banner looks great on multiple types of devices. Hence, it is important to follow YouTube official size recommendations. The best banner size is 2560 by 1440. The minimum file dimension is 2048 by 1152. The minimum safe area, that is for the text and logos, is 1546 by 423. The maximum width is 2560 by 423. The maximum file has to be 6 MB. The safe area represents the part which is viewable on all devices, and it is 1546 by 423. The software we are going to use is called Snappa. So go to your browser and type snappa.com. Snappa is a drag and drop design software which is very easy even if you don't have any graphic design experience. It is very easy to use even if you don't have any graphic design experience. It helps non-designers create online graphics in a snap. That is faster, you can see here that over 25 million images and still counting have been created using Snappa. You can see here Snappa is fast, easy to use, and everything is included. The design for speed, it is easy to use, and everything is included. That is the photos and the graphics that you may need to use when designing your graphics. You can see some of the advantages there is that you can remove image background with just one click. So if you have an image and you want to remove background, you don't have to worry about that. You can use Snappa to do that. You can add text, graphics, and effects using Snappa. It has high resolution stock photos already included. And you can use pre-made template to start your graphic design. You can choose one of the Snappa customized, pre-sized YouTube banner templates, for example, to start going. You can see here that Snappa saves your time every step of the way. So it is a good software to design your graphics. And we are going to use this software to design our YouTube banner or the channel art. To get started, I recommend that you sign up. You can see here, get started for free, and create an account. Create an account. So enter your name, your email address, and your password to get started. Once you have your account, you sign in. And here you find the Snappa dashboard. where you can create your custom graphic size, that is the width and the height. But we have customizable made pre-sized YouTube banner templates or other kind of graphics already made for you. Like for here you have the social media posts, infographics, we have them here, headers, banners and profile pages, ads. So you go to headers, banners and profile pages, and then you choose YouTube banner, and you can see here the size has already been customized. The size is pre-sized YouTube banner size 2560 by 1440. You click YouTube banner. So you can create from a scratch, or you can pick a template to get started. And you can see there are pre-made templates, so many of them. So for start, let's pick a template, a pre-made template. Let us pick this one. So there you go, and you can see the size guidelines already set there. Viewable on TV, viewable on desktop, and you have the save area. This is the save area here. So these are the details you can add. You can add the background here if you want to change the background image, if you want to add the effects, if you want to add the text, if you want to add the graphics. You have the icons, vectors, photos, and you can have your own photos. If you want to use your own photos, you can upload your own photos. So here to upload your own photos. Then you have the shapes, different shapes if you want to add to your banner. So here to edit, you just double click the content. There you go. You can change the color if you want. You can change the font. The size. So this will be the save area, can be viewable by all the devices, but if you want to change it, you can minimize, or rather you can have your own. For example, you go to graphics, you upload your own. And remove that. You can change the color. And if you want something to be on the desktop, want people to subscribe to your channel, so this will be viewable only on the desktop computer. Maybe you can have some vectors. We can have this one. Just some design. Can change the color. We get some shape, for example. You can add more design if you like. There you go, it looks good. Once you are done, all you need now is to download. And you can see here, high resolution PNG is good. You can click that. There you are. I forgot to give it a name. You can give it a name here if you want. YouTube banner. There. You can save it so that you can use it for future reference or for future use. And then you can download and then you upload it in your YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this one.